Hi guys and welcome to my new video. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to password protect your files on Windows 10. So let's say I have a video project, let's say that, or the project. So I wanna password protect it so nobody else can get to the file and it's just protected. It's privacy. So the thing we are going to do is we're gonna right click on that. First of all, of course, you're gonna go to File Manager and you're gonna find a file that you want to protect. After that, also this doesn't work on Windows 10 Home Edition, just a disclaimer, but on any other Windows it works. So we're gonna go to Project, right click on that, go to Properties, go to Advanced, and after that you're gonna get this Advanced Attributes pop-up. So we are going to click Encrypt Contents to secure data, click on OK and click on Apply. After you click Apply, you're gonna get this warning and you're gonna click Encrypt the file only. Click on OK and OK. So as you can see, you can actually back up your file encryption key. As you can see, you're gonna get a lock in your upper right corner, which means your file is password protected by your administrator password. So you can also do that for the whole files, so folders exactly. Same thing, go to Properties, Advanced, Encrypt, OK, Apply, and apply changes to this folder, subfolders, and files, or this folder only. You are gonna click this folder only, click on OK. So that's it, your password protected file. So how to change that back? You're gonna right click on that, file ownership and personal. Easy as that. Same here. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I really hope I see you next time and as always, stay happy. Bye.